My name is Tina Blue. I am a QC sample coordinator at a life science manufacturer here in Sanford, North Carolina. I found out about the BioWorks training program after reading different articles about all of the life science manufacturers that was coming to this area in North Carolina. And I called the local community college to see when the program was going to be offered. I decided to enroll in a life science training program because I wanted to make a career change that was going to be life-changing. The career and the training that I got from the BioWorks program positively impacted my life because I was able to acquire a job that I felt like took my family from low class to middle class, and also allowed me to have a career that I'm able to pass on to my daughter.
My name is Adrienne Blue, and I am a high school student in Harnett County. I enrolled in BioWorks after seeing my mom successfully complete the BioWorks program, and it inspired me to also do so, as well as having the advantage to take this program in high school. My mom experience has definitely helped me throughout my class training by allowing me to get a thoroughly understanding of different equipment and different terminology that I'm able to learn on a more down-to-earth understanding. I think it was very important that I had my pathway navigator by my side by not only ensuring me the importance of having a resume, but helping me build my resume.
Advice I would give to parents that might be in a similar situation that have a high school student, I would say encourage them to take the BioWorks program. It is a short-term training. It allows them to be able to come out of high school with this training and to be able to get a nice paying job. If it's something that they're not really feeling, they can still make a decent amount while they're figuring it out without incurring a lot of debt.
Some advice that I would give to a high school student would be to just go for it, because you don't want to miss on an opportunity that could eventually lead you to a great pathway career in life.
What excites me about being in the life science manufacturing industry is that I have a career that I could pass on to my children, a career that I know is rewarding. It is financially, they'll be stable in life, and it's a career that they can continue to grow and develop in and stay close to home.
What excites me is just overall the recognition that I can get as being a woman of color in STEM and allowing to give motivation to other ladies, women, children who would like to be something in life, as well as inspiring others.
Thank you for following in my footsteps and embarking on a journey and a career in the life science manufacturing industry.
Thank you, Mom, for taking that leap of faith and showing me that anything is possible.
And I'm proud of you for also taking the leap of faith and following in my footsteps.